Hey, welcome. One of the ways you can make money with AI is through print-on-demand business. But for this to be a success, you would always need high-quality images. And this is why in this video, I will show you an AI-powered image enhancement tool that you can use to significantly improve the quality of images from something like this to this. This AI will help you reduce blur, remove noise, and it even allows upscaling resolution up to 32K. If you are a photographer, graphic designer, digital artist, AI art enthusiast, or you are trying to just make money with printing AI generated art, then you'll find this very useful. Alright, let's delve into this AI tool. The name of this tool is called Aiarty. I love the fact that you can download and just use it on your device. So this is the interface of the tool. You can decide to just drag and drop your image or just click on this arrow. So I'll just click on this and select this particular image. Okay, so once you import your image, so it will start enhancing the image. Let's wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so it is downloading, but I want you to pay attention to what we have here. Look at, before it was 133 by 133. Now the after is 266 by 266. Now to make this very visible, I will just increase this slider so you can see. Okay, now there are two ways to preview. There is one with just the glider on one of the images, or you preview both the original image and the upscaled image. Can you see the difference? But I think I'll prefer this so you can see it clearly. Okay, now let's just look at the difference now. Look at. Now this is a version that is not scaled. Now let's move the glider or the slider gently. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see the difference? Now let's talk about this AI model. So there are three models that they offer. Now for you to better understand, I saw this chart on their website and let's just walk through it very fast. So for the GAN model, it is best for enhancing images with rich textures and details, including AI art, web finds, especially those with inherently poor quality. Examples: skin, hair, pore, and other intricate pattern. Now look at this one, diffusion. This one is good for improving images with fewer details and a relatively smooth, polished look, but with flaws like low resolution, blurriness, poor quality. So we have 2D, smooth texture, line art. And the last one here, which is the real photo, it is good for elevating high resolution photographs, realistic images, and photos with flaws and artifacts, especially those with noise, grain, blur. So this is good for family portrait, product shots, and scenic landscape. And you'll notice something here. So for the first two models, you can scale up to 8 times, but for the real photo, it is just 2 times. So let's do something. Let's move this to the GAN model. Let's see. Now this is what we have using the GAN model. But for context, this is 2x, now this is 4x, and then this is 8x. Now let's preview all of this. Let's start with the 2x. So I will just increase this for more visibility. This is the original image, right? Now let's move the slider over it. Can you see the difference? Can you see how enhanced the image becomes? Okay, let's look at 4x. So I'll just increase this as well. Let's see. Look at how improved this image is. Look at, come on. Look at the detailing. Look at everything now is improved. Okay, now let's look at the 8x. Let's see what this will look like. Now you can also move here to pay attention to a particular part of the video, right? Okay, so let's go back. You can see how blurry and noisy the original image is. So let's see the magic that happens. Come on, look at this. This is just amazing. And this is just 8x. Let's try this 4K. Okay, now let's look at the result of the 4K. Let's see. Look at this. Look at the difference. There is a huge improvement in this. Let's do one more thing. Let's move this around. Let's look at the years. Look at this. Let's look at the fingers before, after. Okay, now we can export. Let me reduce this. Now to export, just click on run, and there is a folder for all of your exported images. You can also change the folder directory anyway. Now let's try one more example using Trump for this particular example. So let's preview this after upscaling and enhancing this particular image. Now this is using GAN version 2, upscaling 2x. Now look at this. Though the difference is there, but not that visible. But if you look closely, okay, let me see if I can just increase this so you can see. So I'll be comparing this with other models. Look at this one, smooth diff. Can you notice any obvious change? I'm not seeing that result I'm looking for. Okay, so let's try the last one, which is real photo. Let's see. Okay, let's check the first. If you ask me, I think this GAN version 2 looks more realistic even compared to this real photo. This real photo still looks kind of blurry, so I'll go with this. I'll go with this. I'll go with this. Now since GAN 2 allows more than 2x, let's look at 8x. Oof, I think this is a lot. Let's see. Okay, before, after. Now it looks like the detail is too much, so let's look at 4x. I'll just increase this a little and move this before, after. So I think I'll go for this instead. Anyways, so you can see this is an amazing AI tool that you should have in your arsenal. Okay, so if you want to check out this AI tool, just go to aiarty.com and you will see these two buttons. You can see this free trial. You can just download the free trial and use it. If you're on Windows, you see the Windows logo. Because I'm on Mac, that's why I'm saying this. And also you can decide to buy now. It's also offer 30-day money back guarantee. Imagine you are spending just $75 annual plan for a tool that can make you tens of thousands of dollars or even hundreds of thousands of dollars. So just go check it out, and with this you are licensed to use it on 3 PCs or 3 Mac. You can see enjoy free software updates for 1 year, 30-day money back guarantee. So if you buy it now, you are not satisfied, you can request for your money back, and they offer 24/7 email support. So guys, just go to aiarty.com/buy. Anyways, I hope you find this particular video useful and also resourceful. That will be all for now, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.